How to get the swipe reply feature on Instagram app. Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to get this feature easily and fast. So all what you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS, and then go to the search bar, search for Instagram, and here it will take you to this page. Click on this update option to update your Instagram. After you update it, you will get this feature on your Instagram. If you didn't get it even after you update it, this means that this option is not available on your country yet, so you have to wait more until Instagram do it into your country. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching the video.